Welcome back. Now, when you get started working with your community, you do want to finish all of your branding elements. For example, you do have the opportunity to include a cover photo. So we're going to go ahead and include a cover photo here in this area. Now you'll notice that you have an icon size that's 128 by 128. You also have a cover photo that is 14 by 576. You can do both of those images in a platform like ChatGPT. I'm going to use a very simple query. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the images at specific sizes, and we're going to give the chatbot our group name. Typically, ChatGPT will give you the wrong file type, and in most cases, you're going to have to re-upload the same images and ask for a PNG file type. And so we will return with the query that ChatGPT should now make these downloadable PNG files. And our files are now downloadable. And that means now that we can upload our files. We can then save the image, and we will upload the second image. And we will save the image. We are going to leave our group as private, and we're going to update the settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.